Hey guys, welcome back. Is anything happening? Yes. Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Hey y'all.
Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. We're now at the fitness studio and we're about to do the dance class and I'm so excited. I have 2 left feet, but Jesse Dombo. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so today's class is all about rhythm, roots, and reconnecting with the culture. And we're going to learn 2 powerful traditional Zimbabwean dances, the Mhande and the Mchongoyo.
All right, so my name is Victor Peturo and I'm a dance teacher. I focus more on Zimbabwean traditional dance and Afrofusion contemporary dance. So I'm a dance teacher, choreographer, and I'm also I'm the director of Chipao, if you know the children's organization. So yes, I'm yes, along with her. You did Chipao? Okay. All right. Nice. So yeah, so that's good.
What is Chipao?
Huh? Chipao, okay. Chipao is first the name is Children Performing Arts Workshop. So yeah, and then it's an arts education for development and employment program for children. So we take children from. She's in Chipao as well. That's my daughter. So yeah, she from there up until yeah. So we do dance and everything. So I've been trained there and. Yeah, I've been dancing for years now. Yes. So yeah, what we're going to do today is Zimbabwean traditional dance. So first things first, we're going to start with a warm up, okay, just to get our bodies into the program. So we're going to try by all means to learn 2 dances, okay, from parallel parts of Zimbabwe, and so yeah. All right, are we ready? Yeah. Are we ready? The first dance that we are going to learn today is we are going to learn a dance called Mhande. 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 Okay? So Mhande is a dance that comes from different parts of Zimbabwe, but mainly originated in Machungo area. It's a rain-making dance. So it's a dance where the whole village will go to the king and then they will meet and say, Akuna mvura. So there is a ritual that's done, and then Mhande is the dance that's danced so that the rain will come. So in those days, even now, because it's still being practiced, when Mhande is danced, you get to a point where the clouds will change and then we will actually receive rain. Okay? And then Mhande is danced by all ages. In the ceremony, deep in the ceremony, there will be the older ones, the elder people in the village, but also the other people will be there singing and clapping. And there are parts where the younger generation can also come. Okay? All right. So, wonderful. Number 1. We are going to count. So 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we transfer that to our legs. Starting with the right. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Every time we're starting with the what? With the right. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's try. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Better. So we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So this is your first movement. 5, 6, 5, 6, let's go. The 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, change. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Stop. All right. So let me see. With the pause. 5, 6, 7, go. Papa. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta 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 ta. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. Ta 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 ta. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dive. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Abo! 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, go! All right? Good? Yeah? How are we feeling? How are we feeling? Kuchimani mani ni mandao. And it. So deep down there. And then it also stretches into Mozambique. There's a version which also stretches into South Africa. The rhythms kind of fall similar because of the idea yewondo and stuff. So Mchongoyo waishandiswa to hype up the soldiers when they are going to war, okay? To intimidate the opponent as well, okay? And to celebrate when they come back, and also to celebrate even when they are going. So Mchongoyo unoshanda this, and then so that the soldiers are well prepared every time pavari kuenda hondo count pavari pahondo. You get the idea? All right. So let's come back to the facing this side. Okay. So movement number 1. Remember, this is what? War, and it. Movement number 1. Arms here. 6, 7, go. 1. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. 1. 6, 7, go. 1. You can all see me, right? 6, 7, go. 1. So now this movement goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it goes 6, 7. The beginning part is more important because that's the ha part. 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. 5, 6, 5, 6. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see that. 5, 6, 5, 6. Let's go. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So we have the version. We can do it on spot or moving forward. Tanzo. We can do it on spot or moving forward. So, but now I want us to try the moving forward. 5, 6. Yeah, so let's move back a little bit. Moving forward this way. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are going to go 7, 8, and then we go with the left leg. 1. Yeah, so we're coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and then we stop. All right, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7. Go, Chozak. Baba, 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 baba. All right. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 1, 2, 1. Yes. All right. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pa. Choza. Pa pa pa. Choza. Pa pa pa. Okay. So now the second time we go pa pa pa. Pa 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 pa. So that's your 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2. We go 1. Guitar, one. Guitar. And did it. 1, 2, no, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start. Guitar. Up, guitar. And did it. Take it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And did it. And then we go 1, 2. And did it. Sagati, ta, 1. Ta, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta. And did it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta. Let me see. Let's do it. Okay, so it goes here. Ta. Watch. So arms here. Ta. Guitar, ta. 5, 6. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta. Guitar, ta. Did you see that? 5, 6. 5, 6. Let's go. Let's start from the top. Oh, watch first. 7. Let's watch first. 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Guitar, wow. Guitar, wow. Guitar. And did you go? And 5, 6, 7. Go. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go. What's that? Wow. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. Apple. Wow. 5, 6. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, hey, abo 1, 2, 3, 4, abo 1, 1, and 2, yeah, better.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Everyone had such an amazing time and actually asked me to host another one of these, so maybe we'll do it later in the year. But ultimately this was kind of like a history lesson, but also forming of community, and yeah, hopefully we're able to do this again soon. Overall, it was really nice just remembering our culture in a different way, and of course doing it in a fun way, which was through dance. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in the next one.